Hello, dear tutor and classmates. My name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses. Here is my lesson video. In some cases, you just omit the initial letter for better pronunciation, as is the case with K, like new night, and now another example is when you lengthen a letter like O, as in blood, floor, foot. Other times you don't seem to fully pronounce the letter at the end of a word, such as do and hope, and there are others that sound the same, but you must be careful in words like beer and beer. Always check the context. Finally, there are words that sound just as they are spelled, such as death, pain, and pain. If you keep the details in mind, you should have no problem improving your pronunciation and learning English much faster. Thank you so much.